Good afternoon fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to King Koti to get few accessories for the Ninja 600. He is one of my friend from HRC. So these accessories are for the ride which we are going this Sunday, which is Davadapi Waterfalls, which is in Karnataka. So most probably this would be an small shopping for our bikes.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, at last he came, and it was like I waited here for like 30 minutes. कहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं? जाएंगे आपकी मर्जी. So we are going to meet another friend. We are almost there. So yeah, he just had a small issue in the car. We gave the car in the go mechanic. Like this, it will directly connect us to Tarnaka. We are on a Maulalish road. I'm thinking to get this electronic vehicle, like a scooter or a not car, because they are way more expensive to get them. But I'm thinking as the petrol rates are too high, and this devil gives me just 18 km per liter. I am thinking to get an electric scooter. We cannot compete with that bike because it's a Ninja with 600 displacement of engine. We are actually going towards. There is nothing much here for you to see. Like there will be a heck of traffic all the way until we reach Koti. So I think it's good for me to just see what's there, because you get bored seeing all this traffic. It's a daily thing for the Hyderabadis or like anyone who stays in the metropolitan cities. So I will do a thing. I will see you guys directly at Koti. It will be 30 to 40 minutes for me. For you, it will be just a second away. So guys, yeah, we just took our accessories from Vivya Accessories, which is on the Ramkoti. You can get We can pause the video and take the address over there. We need few more accessories, so just going over there.
Eternity later.
Yeah, it's 5ish in the evening and we have done quite a big shopping for our bikes. He has got his indicators and the fog lamps, the night eye headlight and few other basic stuff. So yeah, I think his bike is all set for the ride. I've done nothing much for my bike. I have just made few changes to my seat, like adding a cushion, like which is it seems that this is an gel foam or something. It's pretty good now. So towards the Spartan gear, it seems that he needs to take a new visor for his helmet. Like he lost his helmet and he just bought a new helmet a few days ago. He's trying to change the visor. We are checking if we can get coming to review for the seat. It's good. We can say the positives and negatives after this ride. Like we come to know the performance of the seat once we complete this ride. So just eagerly waiting for this ride on Sunday. To leave, so I'm just revving the bike. So we just had a sugarcane juice. We are heading towards the Spartan gear. We have actually reached the Spartan Pro gear. So there is a range of. And what is the best place to get this?
अच्छा आपके पास नी पैड्स है? नी पैड्स है, एक्स्ट्रा नी पैड्स। वो तो बोली नी पैड्स थी। नी पैड, हाँ नी पैड्स है, सॉरी, नी गार्ड।
हाँ नी गार्ड, जैसे he took knee guards for himself. I went to fill the fuel, but there was a huge line and I'm already getting late. 30 minutes late already from along.